Hi friends, welcome to my English channel, English with Tej. Let's make learning English simple and fun together. So I hope you all are doing well. So let's start the today's session. Okay. So I'm going to talk about how I improved my English and who I am, and why should you learn English from me. Okay. So I'm going to discuss all these points in this video. So guys, first I would request you, please like, share, subscribe my channel. I really appreciate you all guys. Please do this because we need your love. So please like, share, subscribe. Okay. So let's not take much time and come to the point. Okay. So my name is Tej Moria. Basically, I belong from Uttar Pradesh, Pratapgarh, but currently I'm living in Mumbai. So what I do, actually what work I'm doing in Mumbai. So I work in international BPO. It's been 3 years working at one of the MNC, and last year I got promoted. So why I'm telling all this, because when I came Mumbai around 3 years back. So because I am graduate, but I have done graduation in Bachelor of Arts. You guys must be knowing BA, right? So I have done my all education in Hindi medium from remote village area. So I was able to read the English, okay, but I was able to understand English little bit. Like if you're asking me how are you, not much. If you talk in a very accent, then I was not able to understand. So, because I was a little bit passionate since childhood in English language, it was my dream to speak a fluent English, which is still I'm learning, but I'm good now. I'm better now. I can communicate with foreigner, with the natives as well. There is no problem. So I have been working one of the MNC in Mumbai last 3 years, where I'm supporting customers with their technical problems, if they are facing issues with internet, telephone and cable issues. Okay? I have been gone through a lot of struggle, because when I was new in Mumbai, I was going for the job, I was searching job, I will say more than 20 interviews wherever I was going. So everyone was talking in English, and because I was able to understand little bit, not able to understand, properly. Apart from that, I was not able to answer them. Like I was only somehow I memorized the question, the first question. Whenever you go for interview, they always ask one question: tell me about yourself, or they may ask you, walk me through your resume. So I was only able to give the answer, but if they are asking anything else, I was somehow I was able to understand what they are asking, but I was not able to answer them. So I got rejected approx 20 companies. Okay. So what I did, I took 3 months time and I started reading, listening, and memorizing the questions, whatever expected questions I have gone through with the interviews. So what I did, I memorized all those questions, around 20-30 questions. I memorized them, like why do you want to come, why do you want to work in my company, what's your skills, what's your weak point and your strength. So all kind of questions I memorized all them. A short answer, because I was fresher. They were not expecting a big or deep answer. They were just wanted to know my communication and whether what I understand, what's my strength and weaknesses and all that. So that's how I cracked the interview. One of the MNC company in Mumbai. I'm still working in that company because I am very thankful to that company. I got opportunity to improve my English. Today I'm able to speak with you. I'm not using any script or anything. I'm just talking with you without any script, whatever coming in my mind, and there is no pause. If you will watch my video, very attentively, then you will understand that I'm not taking any pause or any, I'm not thinking that what should I say next. Whatever coming in my mind, just talking with you, okay? Because it was not possible for me, a village boy you guys must have an idea, the person who has done Bachelor of Arts and from village, okay? So how much he would be knowing about the English, okay? So I will say it was a great journey. I really have done a lot of struggle and hard work because I wanted to improve. And I'm really thankful to my current company, and I got promoted last year, as I told you. So I'm very happy. I'm good now, but I'm still learning because English is a language. There are many aspects of a one language, so it's a lifelong journey. But still I'm good. Okay. So what I wanted to tell you through this video that if you are from a remote village, if you don't know English, if you have done Bachelor of Arts, you have studied from your original language, if you have studied from a very remote village area, you are a 25 years old and 20 years old, you can speak English in any age. What is the most important? You should have a determination and a will. Okay? If you have a will to speak English, determination, I will guide you how you can improve English like me. You can talk to any foreigner fluently. Every day I'm talking with Americans, native people over the phone. When you talk even in Hindi with anybody over the phone, it's very difficult if there is some disturbance in the phone. So it's very difficult to understand even their own mother tongue, right? So when you talk with in English with foreigners, with natives in their accent, so because they are not much aware with our Indian accent, so we have to talk in their own accent. Like if I'm talking with Britishers, then we talk in British accent. If we are talking with Americans, then we talk in American accent. There is a variation in the accent. A difference is, language. Not much, it's a little bit. Okay. So, and you have to be very, precise when you pronounce the word. Pronounce it very correctly. So, how you can improve, okay? How I did improve, I will tell you everything in this channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and connected with us. I'll bring every day one video for you. And please give me suggestion if you want. If I'm talking too fast or too slow. So please do comment and tell me your suggestion. I really appreciate your feedback. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. And we'll meet in the new video very soon. So as of now, bye bye, take care.